Hi, this is Aileen, and this is my 2-minute legal tip for you today.
Now, let's dig deeper into the difference between the community property and separate property of spouses and why it's important for us to know the difference. Under the Texas law, the separate property of the spouses is comprised of properties that they owned or acquired before the marriage, properties that are acquired or received during the marriage by gift, by device, or descent. Now, the other property that you may receive during the marriage but will still be considered your separate property is a compensation that you receive from personal injuries that you suffered during the marriage. But there's an exception to that. The exception is when it is a compensation for loss of earning capacity, because that will be considered your community. Now, you may want to ask, what about your engagement ring or your wedding ring? Remember, engagement ring or wedding ring is considered as a gift, which it is your separate personal property. Characterization of property is important in case of divorce and in case of death. With Texas law, when spouses get divorced, they're actually splitting up their community property. But Texas does not follow 50-50 split. Texas follows what is just and right. Separate property is not subject to division during divorce. In Texas, when a spouse dies without a will, do not assume that the surviving spouse will get everything. How their property is divided depends on the characterization of the property, whether it's a separate property or community property. And we will talk more about this in the next video. So watch out for it.